This may look like it took hours to make, but this is one of the simplest picnic dishes you're ever gonna find. All my favorite flavors jam-packed into this one little loaf. Let's do it. So we're gonna start off by grilling some nice seasonal vegetables on our grill. I've just brushed a little bit of oil on a grill pan. And we're just gonna grill this up until we have some nice char marks on there. I'm gonna brush the other side with a little bit of oil as well, just so it's all ready for when we flip it. So I'm just seasoning with a little bit of salt and some pepper, and then we flip, we'll do the other side as well. Those are the little char marks that you're looking for. All right, in the meantime, we're gonna start with our loaf of bread. So I just have a round loaf here. You could do square, totally up to you. I just found a little loaf at the market. So all I'm gonna do here is just create a little circle. This is really fun. And pull it open. And we're basically gonna pull out all this bread. We don't want it in this sandwich because we're just gonna load this little shell with all of our vegetables. You wanna basically hollow it out. And even the top, you could get rid of some of this. All right, these are done. Let's remove these to our plate here. And let's start building our sandwich here. All right, so we're going to use some pesto, and I bought a pesto that has Parmesan in it because that's just my favorite. I'm obsessed with Parmesan. If you want to use regular pesto, you can do that as well. The Parmesan gives some really good extra flavor. So we're gonna use all of this. I know it seems like a lot, but it's a big loaf here and you're gonna serve a nice amount of people. All right, so that's all set. And then your little hat over here, little top. Don't want to forget about him. All right, cool. We're gonna start by layering all of our vegetables. So we're gonna start with some zucchinis. And you're basically just gonna put them in here next to each other. You're gonna line them all up. And we have some eggplant. I'm just gonna cut these eggplants in half, just a little bit big. And now I have some frozen spinach that I've just wrung out all the water from. You don't have to cook it because we're gonna pop this in the oven anyways. Don't even worry about it. I just keep pressing everything down. You want this to be really, really loaded and packed in there. And we have our queso. This is some nice fresh mozzarella. There's nothing better than fresh mozzarella. So much better when it's fresh. All right, and let's layer it one more time. More zucchini. Make sure you get in all those corners. And let's do some more eggplant. Cut it a little bit. Ooh. All right, and some spinach. One last time. One final layer of mozzarella. Bam, look at that. Looks so good. And then you just top it with your little cover and press it down. All right, we're gonna grab some foil now, cover it up nice and tight. And some tin foil. And right on there. Okay, we're gonna go pop this in the oven at 350 degrees until it's nice and melted, and then we'll cut into this and I'll show you how gorgeous it looks. Let's go. This is so nice and toasty. Oh. Check it out. Hot, melty. I just love when all the cheese melts. I just think it's so much better. Let's get into this guy. So you're just gonna cut like a wedge. We'll see all those yummy vegetables in the center. All right, let's see what this looks like. Do you see that? The cheese is melted through. You have those layers and layers. It looks so gorgeous. And this is fully packed and loaded. This is the whole meal right here. This looks so good. Look at all these vegetables in here. This is your full meal. You have your carbs, you have your vegetables, and you have nice big smiles on your faces all summer long. I hope you guys make this, and happy picnicking. Bye guys.